Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm doing hanging ribs. Okay, so most people cook ribs on the flat, and that's great. I like to change things up here every now and again, and it's a really nice way of cooking ribs is having them hanging. So I'm going to be using the pit barrel cooker here. I haven't done any videos with it for a while, but yeah, it's perfect for this really. And I've got a beautiful rack of spare ribs, nice meaty ones these are, and I'm going to have them hanging in there, this nice assembly here. So yeah, let's get going and see how these work out. I can't believe diamonds so curved, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you the whole of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. So the difference with these, normally they'd be ready to go on the smoker and you just sit them flat like that. But what we're going to do today is use this medieval looking torture rack. So I really like these, and what I'm going to do is get that under the bone like that, under that. Nose will hang like that, and that will be perfect. So I've got the slightly skinnier end there and the thicker end there, nice and firmly in. I don't want to overcook these, because if I cook them too much, one, it's not going to be as good eating, but two, I stand a chance that these might fall off. So this is a bit of risk to reward ratio here, but yeah, these are going to be good. Okay, so these ribs are smelling and looking amazing. Look at those. Just taking them off now, and these have done their job. There we go. I've not gone for any sauce on these. You can sauce them up as you like. I've gone for like a dry rib, very thick, meaty rib these. So I'm just going to cut through here and have a taste of that. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Look at that smoke ring from that cherry. Yeah, I'm going to dive in and have a taste. So, juicy, tasty. Really happy with those ribs. So good with the cherry. Nice way of cooking them, hanging like that. A little bit different to how I normally cook them. Have you tried cooking them hanging? Let me know in the box below, the comment box. If you tried them like this and how you got on with them, I'd love to hear that. And yeah, let me know your best way of you like cooking ribs. I'm going to get stuck into these and enjoy them. Remember, if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, that box down there, subscribe, hit the bell, let me know you like what I'm doing here. It's all appreciated. Cheers.